Hi everybody, welcome back to what will be the final edition of the Farm Bureau Minute for the 64th legislative session. Earlier this week, both the Senate and the House moved a sine die motion and they passed it, meaning that they have adjourned for this session and concluded the work of the 64th legislature in Montana. Throughout the duration of the session, Farm Bureau worked on approximately 61 bills. 53 of those bills we supported, and we're happy to report that 38 of the bills that we have supported have passed and become law or are awaiting the governor's signature in his office. Of the bills that we opposed, there were 7, and an even larger statistic to be happy about is that 86% of those bills, or 6 of 7 of the bills that we opposed, were killed in the process. A few of the bills that passed that are worth noting would be Senate Bill 261, which you may recall is the state Sage Grouse Management Plan. That is on the governor's desk awaiting his signature. And Senate Bill 262, which is the negotiated compact between the CSKT and the state of Montana, has also been signed into law. This is the first of many steps of implementation for the ratified compact, and from here it will go to Congress to await a vote there. Additionally, we're happy to report that Senate Bill 156, which was Senator Tutvet's reappraisal bill, has also passed the legislative process, as well as Senate Bill 284, which was Senator Brendan's bison bill requiring that county commissioners have the authority to provide approval before any bison are translocated into their areas. Those are all good bills that Farm Bureau worked hard to support throughout the session, and we're excited to report to you today that they are well along in the process and will potentially become law in Montana if they haven't already. A bill that we did support that didn't pass that's worth mentioning is Senate Bill 37 by Senator Jennifer Fielder. This bill unfortunately passed both the Senate and the House but was ultimately vetoed by Governor Bullock. This bill would have required the Department of Natural Resources to provide notice to water rights holders who held rights that were exempt from filing for domestic and stock water uses on in-stream flow water bodies. So what's important to note about this is that it did not veto the requirement to file for a permit on those rights. They were at one time exempt from filing, however, that has changed. So you still need to file a permit for water rights that are domestic or stock water use in-stream flow rights, but this bill did veto the requirement of the department to provide the necessary notice to those water right holders. So we're disappointed that that bill did not make it through the session, but we'll work hard to make sure that all of our members are aware of that requirement to file on those rights. And lastly, what we want to do is just extend a huge thank you to all of our members who participated with us throughout the session, who attended our events in Helena, the Calling on the Capitol, as well as the County Council of Presidents, and who attended hearings to testify on behalf of agriculture. We really appreciate and look forward to all of the help that you give us throughout the session, and it speaks volumes to the legislators when we can have actual farmers and ranchers there to testify before them. So we want to thank you all for your participation, and Farm Bureau staff and lobbyists will continue to be busy throughout the interim. There's many meetings and other issues that we will keep track of and keep you informed of. So please be looking for a more detailed wrap-up in the latest editions of the legislative highlights, which should be hitting your mailboxes in the next week or so, and we look forward to seeing you all again in 2017. Thanks.